Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel. In this video, I am sharing a recipe of aloo bhujia, which is far much better than any market bought namkeen. I'll give you a reason for this. You can take any brand, take the packet and find the list of ingredients. You will find two ingredients. One is refined palm oil and the other one is acidity regulator. All of us know palm oil is not at all good for our heart and cholesterol. Neither is the acidity regulator. So we should always find ways to make homemade namkeen. So now let's start the recipe. Firstly, we'll look at the basic ingredients. We'll need 1 bowl of besan or gram flour. Then we need 2 boiled potatoes. I have already boiled them and peeled them. Then we need salt to taste and chaat masala, and I'll be taking 3 things more. One is a pinch of hing or asafoetida, and the second one is red chili, and the third is black pepper. And the last ingredient is turmeric. Actually, I have added black pepper since I am using turmeric, and it's a powerful combination to boost the curcumin absorption. If you want to know more about it, then you may find my video of the correct way of eating turmeric. I'll put the link in the description box. And now I have mashed these 2 boiled potatoes. Now we'll be mixing all these ingredients in a bowl to form a dough. Firstly, we'll mix our besan and then the mashed and boiled potatoes. Actually, I'm very happy when I give this to my daughter, as I am fully satisfied, as the namkeen is made by goodness of potato and is having the power packed proteins of besan. Along with it, it has a mix of right spices in a right proportion, and that too made in mustard oil, which is far much healthy than the palm oil. Whenever the kids ask for evening snacks or their choti bhook, this is a good option to serve to them. And all the moms must be relating with me. These are just small things by which we can give our children a lot of nutrition, as they will be very happy to eat the namkeen. All the moms are always searching for option to give nutrition to their kids in one form or the other. Now we'll need a soft dough out of this. To this dough, we will be adding 2 tablespoons of mustard oil so that the dough is smooth. Now we will make a cylindrical shape of the dough so that it goes easily inside the namkeen making machine. I have divided the dough in 2 cylinders. Now let's look at the namkeen making machine. This machine is made up of copper. Actually, it's my mother-in-law's machine. She has it from almost about 10 or 12 years back, and it's working very fine. Now I'll show you the parts of the machine. We'll remove the upper portion, which is the rotating portion, and this is the cylinder which is there. It's hollow basically, where we'll fill the dough. Now these are the various press which is available. We'll take the thinnest one so that we get market like aloo bhujia. Now we'll be greasing the parts of the machine so that the dough doesn't stick to it and it comes off easily into the oil. Now there are various other machines which are available in the market. There is a gun-shaped stainless steel machine or a plastic machine, and if you don't want to use any kind of machine, then you need to use that chhed wali channi from which we'll pour in the batter. Now we'll be putting the cylindrical dough into the machine. As there is a lot of space, so I'll be putting my second cylindrical dough also into the machine, and then I'll be closing the upper part of the machine. Now it's good to go. Now we'll take a deep kadai into which we'll heat the mustard oil. Heat it to a very high point and then lower the flame and rotate the upper portion, and these kind of noodle-like thing will come into the hot oil. You need to be a bit fast and careful while doing this as there is a lot of heat. Now we will cook it on medium flame for about 5 minutes and then we'll flip it over. Now we will be flipping it and cook it from the other side till we get a golden brown color. Just gently flip it, it doesn't take much time to cook, and now we'll take it out on our paper towel so that the excess oil is also soaked. Now I have already taken it out and I'll show you. Now I'll be sprinkling some amchur powder and chaat masala on top of it, and our aloo bhujia is ready to serve with a hot cup of tea or with a cool glass of shikanji to our kids. I hope you like the recipe and you will make it for sure. Believe me, it doesn't take much time to cook. It's not that tedious. Try it once and do let me know in the comment section how it turned out to be, or are you people going to try it? You will forget that market wali bhujia. I thank all of you for watching my video. Do hit the like button and share the video with your family and friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing it for getting more videos about good life and healthy food.